In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in Canva. Curve text is a simple design trick that can make your graphics look more polished and dynamic, whether you're working on a logo, a social media post, or a presentation slide. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll be able to add curved text to any of your Canva designs with confidence. First, go ahead and open your design in Canva. This can be an existing project you're already working on, or you can start with a blank canvas. Once your design is open, the very first thing you need to do is click on the text you want to curve. If you don't have any text yet, just add some by selecting the text option from the side panel, typing out your words, and placing it roughly where you want it on your design. Then make sure that text box is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and little handles around your text. With your text selected, look toward the top of the screen for the toolbar that appears. In this toolbar, you'll see options to change the font, size, color, alignment, and more. What you're interested in here is the Effects button. Go ahead and click on Effects. This will open a panel, usually on the left or at the top, showing different text effect options. Inside the Effects panel, you'll find a variety of styles like shadow, lift, outline, and others. Among these options, look for the one labeled Curve. Click on Curve. As soon as you do this, Canva will automatically transform your straight text into a curved shape. Once the curve is applied, you'll usually see a slider that lets you adjust how strong the curve is. Dragging the slider one way will make the text arc upward into a rainbow shape, and dragging it the other way will bend it downward into more of a smile or a frown shape. Take a moment to play with this slider until the curve matches the look you're going for. You can still change the font, size, spacing, and color even after curving, so don't be afraid to experiment. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click away from the text to deselect it, and your curved text is ready to use in your design.